Welcome to Kaebox. We are so glad to have you on our team. We'll be showing you how to accept and deliver your first shipment through the Kaebox driver app. After you complete your Stripe account setup and accept your inventory shipment, you're ready to go online. This step officially puts you on the map as a Kaebox driver. Congratulations! In order to go online and receive shipment requests, please allow the Kaebox app to access your location. Make sure to enable precise location for optimal shipment capabilities. When you open the app, packages that are available to pick up will appear. Simply accept the shipment, and your in-app GPS will automatically display the directions. If you have any navigational issues, you're able to call or chat with the sender or soon-to-be recipient. Remember to drive safely. Now that you have arrived at your destination, it's time to confirm the pickup. All you need to do is snap a quick picture of the item that is to be delivered. After you upload the picture, you'll need to select the correct Kaebox packing materials from your inventory and confirm them. If your package needs a label, the label will be automatically made from the sender's pre-filled information. You can then use your Kaebox kit label printer to efficiently print and finish packing the item. Once you have fully packaged the item, you're ready to complete the drop-off. The in-app GPS will then switch the directions to the drop-off location. When you've navigated to the correct address, press Confirm Arrival. You'll then be prompted to scan the QR code found on the label to ensure the package's authenticity. To finish the drop-off, take a photo of the package at the destination and submit. Now, you've completed your first official delivery with Kaebox. If you'd like, you can continue delivering all you want. If you'd like to take a break, simply set your driver status as inactive and go offline. At Kaebox, you control your day.